and gathered a total of 412 kilos of trash through our coastal relief efforts. Our efforts didn't end there, because in the same year, we were able to extend our helping hand to more in parts of Luzon and started a project in Visayas.
Dito po sa amin. Nag-i-enjoy po siya ng mga teachers, ng mga pupils, and ng community members po.
Sana marami pa katulungan. Ako yung kagaya. Sobrang pagtanggap nila sa awan ng mga pag-isalamat nila sa pagkakawa ng
We are very, very blessed to become a channel of blessing to everyone.
All this was made possible by all the great partners and organizations that provided us with donations, volunteer support, and fundraising. Despite all this, they are steadfast in our commitment to the community.
To become a part of our advocacy, to continue blessing the lives and making a difference with whatever we have. Thank you very much and let it flow.
Water, nakakaligo na sila everyday, nakaka-toothbrush na sila, wala na silang toothpick. So, sa akin, masaya na ako pag nakita ko yun. So, when we went there, we saw their faces. That's takes enough for you know, sa lahat ng ginawa namin for them. Yun lang, makita masaya sila, enough na for us din. So we thank Waterflow for inviting us. We're just waiting for the next chapter. Alam ko, meron pa tayo. So, antayin ko lang yun. Yeah, so we're up to that challenge. Okay, so thank you so much, guys.
Accept this certificate of appreciation from the Waterflow Foundation. So on behalf of Highly Succeed or HSI, I want to express our heartfelt thanks for acknowledging our commitment to water conservation and sustainability. So of course our CEO, Chi Malaki, is also the co-founder of Waterflow Foundation. So it's really a no-brainer that we will be supporting all the efforts and endeavors of Waterflow. We truly actually enjoy participating in various outreach activities. Like last year, we also went to Zambales. So we went there for our outreach program. Instead of having our Christmas party here in the office, we opted to provide or give donation and support to all the community of Botolan. So these endeavors not only help preserve our environment, but also provide as well as with the opportunity to connect with the communities on a more personal level. So we eagerly participate, further expanding our involvement and support all efforts in such initiatives in the days ahead. So thank you again so much, Water.
Hey, there you have all. Actually, it's because it's my first time to represent Unleash in a big crowd like this. It's also because Unleash, if you haven't heard, it's a new mobile application which is solely for pets. Alright, so just imagine your pet, your fur babies, your dogs, your cats, they have their own app. Alright, so it's actually what we call a pet lifestyle app, so which is also a super app. Why a super app? Because it has everything that's pet related. So we have several features that we will be gradually putting out in the app for like every 2 weeks to a month or every month actually. So Unleash has been, just to share with you guys, since it's something very new, and actually you can already download it in the Google Play Store and App Store, and soon it will be out in the app gallery as well of Huawei. So we're working on that one. And actually right now it's our best beta phase. So we're on our testing phase. So if you are able to download it now, you will be able to be one of our first testers. Alright, so aside from that, actually, Unleash is in collaboration with Water Flow Foundation. So we are very, very happy to have this kind of partnership with Water Flow Foundation and to be able to also help represent and share the good news about Water Flow's programs, as we were able to also firsthand experience what it's like to be able to give out to people who really need, like they don't really have access on one of the basic needs of humans. So yeah, that was actually what Ms. Aisel was able to also share about earlier. We were able to spend our team's Christmas party in the Pawan community, where there was a very big lack of water resource. Alright, so it was a very, very big experience for us. It's something very phenomenal, actually. I invite every one of you to at least have that kind of, join that kind of a volunteering experience, because you don't know how much you can help with just a very small effort. So yeah, thank you so much. And also, I have with me Cherubi Fuentes, our lead department coordinator. So she's also the one handling for the tech operations. So if you experience anything with the app, bad about the app, we'll report it to her. So through our social media pages, you can access that as well. So I can share more about the app, but I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Aside from that, what else? Okay, so please download the app. It's already out there. Give your thoughts. You are very welcome to share your feedback. And I believe my alma mater is here, DLSU. So hello guys. I really miss going there. So yeah, just for everyone else, thank you for coming, and yeah, hope to meet you all tonight further.
Last year, 2023, we are welcoming naman yung 2024 with our new partners and collaborators. So, kasama yon si Lakbay Dagat yan, sina Sir Brian. So,
thank you, ma'am. I would like to take this opportunity, of course, to magpasalamat sa Waterflow Foundation Corporation. When I read, first time I read na binigay sa akin ng aming program coordinator isang organization. Then the first thing na ginawa ko is to look at ano ba mission nila? Is there any common goals sa aming organizations? And one thing I realized, because we've been in the Lakbay Dagat organizations, we are all part-time professionals. We mostly live in the middle of the sea. And one thing I realized, that something we fear, kinatatakutan, isang bagay na kinatatakutan namin, sa ibang mga area pala yun yung hinahangal nila. Gusto nila ng tubig, kami naman ayaw naman sa tubig. Takot kami. Waterflow Foundation, binigyan nila ng buhay, marami kami. So, without any single thought, sabi ko, I want to be part of this team. I want to be part of this team, not only helping kung ano man yung kailangan nila, but I want them to fulfill their mission. Kung ano man yung kaya ng Lakbay Dagat, gagawin. Yun sa Lakbay Dagat, I talk to my team. Ito, Waterflow Foundation. Nasa dagat tayo nabubuhay. Water means life for us, mga seaman. And doon sa tinutulungan ng pamilya ng Waterflow, it's also a spare lives for them. Ang ganda. When I read the mission, sabi ko, tara, sali tayo.
Kami ng organization na to, and sobrang thankful kami kay Sir Muji na tumawag sa amin.
Sa Parent Rescue Volunteer Group, masasabi ko lang, handa kami sa lahat ng laban. Kung sa sunog na, handa kami. So, handa rin kami sa kahit anong event na paparating pa. Ayun, gusto lang iparating ng fire chief namin na, sir, sa lahat ng event na po pwede kami makatulong, gagawin po namin. Thank you po.
We're very thankful dun sa De La Salle Manila. So, backstory lang, they also sent a message sa Facebook that they're a group of students, they have this class, and they want to yung address yung merong mga companies that are addressing yung mga sustainable development goals. So they reached out and they are volunteering in our social media plan, information campaign. So we're thankful for their group na ayun, that they have chosen our group kasi yun, we really need na mag-reach nga, sabi nga ni Boss Will, kasi hindi ko na nga alam millennial, Gen Z, marami ng ibang generation. So, we need to reach as much as we can.
So, hello po, good evening po to everyone. So, first of all, we would like to thank Waterflow Foundation po, not just for the acknowledgement, pero pati na rin po sa pag-accept ng invitation namin to collaborate. So, konting backstory lang po sa mga, for those who don't know Heart to Flow. So, we're a small group po of passionate students from De La Salle University. So, this is a requirement for our general communication po na subject, which we are tasked to partner with an organization who tackles sustainable development goals. So, inspiration po actually ng group namin was the outbreak sa Baguio. And we are really thankful po sa Waterflow Foundation because out of all the organizations po na we reach out to, kayo po yung nag-respond. So we're truly grateful. So, yun nga po, as students po, ang lagi lang po kasing sinasabi sa amin na role is mag-aral. Pero through this partnership, binigyan po kami ng Heart to Flow, ay ng Waterflow Foundation na at a young age, maka-contribute na po for the collective good in our own little way, which is to raise awareness through social media po. So, again po, thank you po for honing our talents, not just as students, but as volunteers. So, this was truly not just a required project po, but an eye-opener for us na yung basic necessity po na para sa amin is easily accessible everywhere is a luxury po pala to those people in certain remote areas. So this is truly an enriching experience po that shaped our morals and sparked volunteerism within us po. So thank you everyone po. Have a nice evening.
Successful projects noong 2023. And yun, we're very happy na for this 2024, ayan, mas nag-expand po yung family. Marami pang pwedeng tumulong. And we would just like to show you yung mga potential communities po na pwede nating tulungan for the coming months, for this coming, for 2024 and the years to come.
Water is essential in our lives and well-being. However, there's still a huge gap in water accessibility in many parts of the Philippines. Waterflow Foundation is dedicated to bridge this gap and help provide water access in water-stricken communities.
Sa katagalan na po ng hindi kami nakapagtuloy dito mula po noong 2014 pa po ang tubig na ginawa. Ngayon po nung nasira po ay hindi na po na muli nagawa yung rampang namin.
Upon our establishment, we have 5 communities that we have successfully helped with our water project. But we are far from our goal. We aim to reach more Filipino communities in need of water.
Ang Sibao Elementary School ay isa sa mga paaralan na kabilang sa kanilang Class 1 Division ng Negros Occidental sa pamumuno ni Mrs. Catherine M. de la Cruz. Ang paaralang ito ay mayroong nasa humigit kumulang 300 mag-aaral. Sa kabila ng pagiging maganda nito, ito ngayon ay nahaharap sa isang matinding kahirapan, lalong-lalo na sa water access. Para masustentuhan ang pangangailangan ng tubig, umaasa na lamang ang mga guro at mga mag-aaral sa ulan. Dahil sa ganitong mga pagkakataon na bihira na lamang ang ulan, lalong-lalo na sa panahon ng tag-init, mayroon talagang malaking kakulangan ng supply ng tubig ang paaralang ito.
Si Eugenia Pineda, Chapter, ng auditor sa Isla Sasag, nagsinahagay nga na matabang na mo nga maghatag na mo og tubig na ang gikinahanglan sa mga isla sa barangay sa Estado. Tungod kay kamahal, kung naay kalabidan, magkandidat ang General sa Isinta, ang amo ang pagkikon sa paglaba, ang General 5, ang uban 15. Kamawan ang tanggalin tubig na ang pagkikon, labi na sa among inunom. Ang among mga kabataan, ang ibaylo ang ilahang pag-eskwela, ang ilang ipiti, ang madalang ipalit ng tubig kay amo ang gikinahanglan ng tubig. Maginaopin kay makatabang sa among barangay, sa among panginahanglan, amo ang panginabuyan ng tubig, kaya kinabuhi nagagikalan sa tubig.